Sir, I am Aishwarya Narovni. My USN is 2ST20EC004. My CTA topic on how to generate a sine wave by storing a quarter wave. And here I am introducing about how to generate a sine wave. The introduction as follows. Generating a sine wave by storing a quarter wave is fundamental concept in a single processing and waveform generation. A sine wave is a smooth periodic oscillation that can be represented mathematically using trigonometric functions. By storing and repeating a quarter wave of a sine wave, we can generate a complete waveform. To understand this process, let's start with the definition of a sine wave. A sine wave is characterized by its amplitude, frequency and phase. In order to generate a sine wave, we can begin by storing a quarter waveform. A quarter wave refers to the 1/4 of the complete cycle of a sine wave. This can be achieved by sampling and storing series of discrete points to represent a waveform over a quarter cycle. To create a quarter wave, we need to determine the number of samples required based on the desired frequency of a sine wave. The more samples we use, the more accurate our representation will be. Each sample represents the amplitude of a waveform at a specific point in the time. Once we have a quarter wave stored, we can repeat it to generate the complete sine wave. By repeating the quarter wave multiple times, we maintain the periodic nature of the sine wave. The frequency of the repeated quarter wave determines the frequency of the resulting sine wave. Let's explain how the code works. Here we include a header file reg51.h and another header file intrinsh.h, which is nothing but inserted inline method to be called. And we declare an unsigned variable I, and we declare an unsigned array named as wave array. We have included the array size. Starting point is 128. And next we have a while loop. Inside a while loop we have a for loop. Here we initialized I equal to 0 and I is less than 16, since array size is 16 and I is incremented. Inside the for loop we have a P1, which is port 1, which I will be traversed, and array whose name is wave array. We have to call some predefined inline function called as NOP, which is no operation. NOP have same work as that of delay. It will be used to generate one instruction per cycle. We will call this again and again up to 6 times. This is how the code works.